Hello friends, I have already made a video on scam that happened in Hong Kong, and this thing happened in India only. uh, I'm making all these videos because I have promised, I have written this thing in my channel. Okay, I want to save everyone. So this scam is disturbing me too much because every now and then this thing is happening. This happened with me only. uh, OLX, it happened on OLX. uh, Once I wanted to sell something, I put that thing on OLX. So phones were coming. One person rang me up, and he asked me about money. Whatever I said, it was 25,000. He didn't say even once ki lessen the amount or give some discount, nothing. He said, okay ma'am, I'm ready. So I said, okay, if you are ready, you come and see the product. He said, okay. Then he rang me up. He said, ma'am, I'm staying very far away, so I can't come. So you do one thing, you keep that thing, and whenever I'll get time, I will come and collect it. But before that, I'll give you money. First, I was surprised, and again, he was ringing me up. I want to give you money. I want to give you money. I said, I want in cash. He said, no, not cash. I will send it into your account. So I said, okay, is Google Pay okay? He said, okay, okay, Google Pay is okay. I sent him my Google account number. He said, okay, ma'am, first I'll send you 10 rupees. So you will come to know, then I'll send you 25,000. I said, okay. It was my good luck that my son was there only. So he said, why, who is ringing you up again and again? I said, no, I'm selling something and he wants to buy. He said, he didn't see your products and why is he ready to buy everything? I said, that I don't know, but he wants to buy and I want to sell. And I didn't listen to him also. He was sitting just by my side. So I sent him my number. He sent me 10 rupees. Okay. Then what he did, he said, now it's okay. Now I'm sending. Then he wrote 25. Okay. And before I click, my son took my phone and he checked. That arrow was from my account to his account, not from his account to my account. I never knew this thing could ever happen. Only that mark was there. So my son said, Mama, stop. And I stopped. He saved me, not I saved myself. And then I came to know, then my son shouted on that person and said, what do you think, you're too clever? So he said, what is it? This is my okay. If you understood, it's okay. Just return my 10 rupees and it's okay. After that, I don't trust in myself also, because anyone can make you fool. And so please be careful whenever you are doing anything or any transactions on phone. Please be careful. This is happening every now and then, but it happened with me, so I wanted to tell you how it happened. Only one arrow, you have to be careful. Arrow is going from your account to his account. And this is my second video. I have already made one on Hong Kong scam. If anyone wants to know about the company also, I can give. I have all the links, so please share it to more and more people. So I want no one should be cheated, and mainly my senior citizens. Thank you.